Olivia Chow wants to keep this a secret. Olivia Chow has gone on since September 24th, when she was served with legal papers that she is the defendant in a legal proceeding contesting her appointment as Toronto Mayor. And what that means is that she would not be able to fulfill the legal requirement under Ontario law of the Provincial Municipal Elections Act for her to legally secure the office of mayor. They called Olivia Chow the mayor, but Olivia Chow and the lawyers that Mr. Kevin Clarke, on behalf of the people, have been battling, they know that Olivia Chow, under Ontario law, is not yet legally the 66th mayor of Toronto. The only way she can legally become Toronto mayor is she must defeat her only legal opponent from the 2023 municipal by-election, Mr. Kevin Clarke, who has contested her appointment legally in a court of law under Section 83 of the Provincial Municipal Elections Act of 1996 that says no one can rig an election to get themselves elected, but also no one can hold office if it's proven in a court of law that they were elected controverted. That means an alternative, a foreign interference source, a source that does not have any rights in any election, that they in turn rig the election. We are alleging that the Toronto media rigged the election to portray 6 or so individuals, which is only 5% of the field of candidates who have registered. Democracy requires 50% plus 1, and the law must also require that the media promote 50% plus 1 minimum, even though everyone has the right and everyone is matter. But everyone should matter also in democracy. You cannot say all children matter, but when it comes to elections for government office, you are saying that only those candidates that certain sources, the media, or debate organizers want to promote because of influence matter. And this is what happened in 2023 municipal by-election. Only these specific candidates who had past influence because of the position they held were promoted. Olivia Chow must prove that the media and debate organizers did not mainly focus on 6 or so specific individuals throughout the election. For if that did happen, that is a controverted election under Section 83 of the Provincial Municipal Elections Act, and the penalty is that the one who holds office must forfeit the office of Toronto Mayor. That is the law in Ontario, and on July 15th, the applicant, Mr. Kevin Clarke, will prove that the Toronto media and debate organizers did rig in 6 or so minimal amount of candidates to use the major influence of the Toronto media to coerce the people who are extremely busy and do not have time to do the research to vote for one of those individuals. But also, the media used the term that they had hired market research firms to poll. But the people on the video, the market research firms, were hired to poll voters. And that is what they use for the debates and for the media promotion. But you will hear from one market research firm that when they were asked, the Toronto media hired you to poll to see who were the front runners. Who did you ask? This firm stated in an email that they asked the Toronto media. So in turn, the Toronto media determined who the front runners were, not the voters. And that is a controverted election under Section 83 of the Municipal Elections Act of 1996. And the Ontario Superior Court of Appeals have no choice but to order that the defendant, Olivia Chow, forfeit the office of the Toronto mayor. You can call someone whatever you want to call them, and you can call Olivia Chow mayor. But in reality, in Ontario law, under the Provincial Municipal Elections Act. That is the only act that can determine the legal mayor. Olivia Chow is not the mayor. She's the appointed mayor, but she is the defendant, the most historical legal proceeding in Canadian political history.